Welcome to the wild world of modern forestry machines, where raw power meets smart engineering. In this video, you'll see some of the toughest and most advanced equipment ever built for logging, cutting, hauling, and grinding. From 500 horsepower chippers that devour full trees in seconds, to agile harvesters that tackle steep slopes with ease, each machine is a beast in its own way. We've got everything from heavy-duty timber loaders to compact tractors, powerful chainsaws, and even a homemade lumber mill turning logs into high-quality wood. And don't miss the perfectly coordinated cat machines working as a team deep in the forest. This is real work, real machines, and real power, all in one epic showcase. Let's jump in. We begin with the Mency Muckm 540, a 170 horsepower wood harvester weighing nearly 40,000 pounds. Thanks to its flexible track system and high-reach crane, it conquers even the toughest terrain with ease. Perfect for rugged timber jobs. Next up is the Fiat Hitachi EX215W paired with the Woody H60. This combo runs on a 150 horsepower diesel engine and weighs over 48,000 pounds. It's not just powerful, it's efficient, making wood harvesting look smooth and effortless. The Senegan 870M is no ordinary machine. With 280 horsepower under the hood, this specialized timber loader makes transporting logs onto trucks a breeze, speeding up the timber supply chain dramatically. The Sidorica Alterosa packs a 250 horsepower diesel engine in a compact frame. Weighing just over 33,000 pounds, this wood-cutting monster slices through dense forests with unmatched speed and accuracy. The fast Bigwood chipper is built for serious work. With a massive 500 horsepower engine, it devours large trees in seconds. This chipper is ideal for big operations that need fast and efficient wood processing. Small but mighty, the MS500i chainsaw delivers 6.3 horsepower and weighs less than 12 pounds. It's powerful enough to take on hard timber yet light enough for easy handling, making it a favorite among professionals. Coordinated cat machines. Check out these two cat machines working together in perfect sync to guide a truck through rugged terrain. Their coordination is nothing short of impressive, true teamwork in the forest. Meet the AWE RT800, a 400 horsepower beast built to crush massive stumps quickly. Weighing nearly 45,000 pounds, this grinder clears land with blazing speed and maximum efficiency. Homemade lumber mill. Watch as a craftsman uses powerful machinery to turn logs into premium lumber. It's a blend of engineering and manual skill that results in top-quality wood products. Massive cypress tree cutter. Now witness a giant saw machine tackle a towering cypress tree. With a 250 horsepower engine and weighing over 26,000 pounds, it cuts through the tree like butter. LKT-81 Forestry Tractor. Need a tough tractor? The LKT-81 is your answer. It's strong, reliable, and built for off-road terrain. Perfect for heavy-duty forest work. T40 Compact Forestry Tractor. Don't let its size fool you. The T40 comes with a 40 horsepower engine and weighs just under 9,000 pounds. Thanks to its shovel and winch system, it hauls over 700 cubic feet of timber with ease.